Want sharper, higher quality photos on your Canon camera? Most users don't realize their image quality is set to default or low. But changing it takes just a few seconds and makes a big difference. Let's change the image quality right now. First, turn on your DSLR camera. Now, look at the top of your camera body. You will see a dialer. It's called a mode dialer. Now switch the mode to A mode to make the camera fully automatic. It shows this green icon. Now press the menu button. Make sure you are on the first menu column. Here you can see the image quality setting. Make sure image quality is selected on the screen. Now click the Set button, or you can use your touch screen to tap this setting. Here you will have the option to choose between RAW and JPEG file types. Use the left or right arrow buttons to select the formats. Now select the large JPEG option. Then click on the Set button. Once selected, you'll see the icon for large JPEG on the screen. If you accidentally select RAW, you can go back into the settings and set back to large JPEG. Once you've set it to large JPEG, the camera is now ready to shoot in large JPEG format. And that's how you can change the image quality of your Canon camera easily. Hopefully this method worked for you. If it did, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.